Okay, so question 1b. Again, graph question, very common. So the graph of the function y equals to log base 10 of x squared minus 2x plus 2 is sketched in where? Okay, so again, as usual, there are 100 millions of ways to do graph questions. Okay, so there's a quadratic here, right? There's a quadratic here. So my first instinct would be, okay, let's try to complete the square and check where the minimum actually is. Right, so this becomes x minus 1 squared plus 1. Okay, so where's the minimum? Okay, the minimum should be at x equals to 1, right? Because log is an increasing function, right? So the minimum has to be at x equals to 1. Okay, so x equals to 1. So not b, right? Well, c does, for x equals to 1, c is not defined, so that's also wrong. D, it doesn't have 1 as a minimum, so not right. Okay, so it's either A or E, right? Okay, so let's try to chuck in x is 1. Okay, when x is 1, what happens? Y equals to log 10 of 1. Okay, what is log 10 of 1? Well, it's 0, right? So A is wrong, right? Because it's not touching. It's not touching the axis, right? So answer Z. Okay, this is a pretty trivial graph question, compared to some of the earlier years. In the earlier years we used other methods, right? This one is pretty obvious with the completing the square, finding the minimum, and realizing that the log function is increasing, and then just sub in values, and we'll find out that's E. Cool.